It's just the noise of your mind, filling in the spaces and creating what we call time. Call time. It's just a place where we can spend our mind. Call time. It's just a place where we can go and spend our mind. Welcome to the world with our mind. Take a look around and see the colors of time. In the pockets we carry some change, just in case the world doesn't work out the way we plan. What can you do now that you got it all messed up? You know it's not your fault. Somebody's giving you the wrong information and now you got it all over yourself. Hey, what's going on there, little buddy? Can you see the sky's got a hole? Well, I don't know about you, but in my mind, well, we're just here to see you through. All the dreams you've had are just a moment of time. Everything you've had in life is all just fit in your mind. I want to know how you feel about me. I want to be what you see in your mind. This place needs a little bit of rapture. This place needs a little bit of laughter. But you have my friend. Can you teach me? I want to learn how to feel and feel all those things you hear and see. Help me find me. I want to learn how to laugh. I want to learn how to play. I want to be everything that might be. Every day I play. Every day I play. Without you.